Hi, mic test, mic test.
Hello.
Mic test, mic test. Hello. Hi, everyone! Welcome to Madison. Ayup ka. Start na nga. Liam. Hi, everyone! Welcome to Madison Talks! I am Mrs. Kim Lazaya, an entrepreneur, beauty enthusiast, and a mom. On this video, we'll be having a real conversation, whether it's a personal stories or heart-to-heart talk with my son. So we have a special guest for today's video. If you want to know more about this video, just keep on watching. So when we talk about family, it's a very broad. So we have different perspective. And even though 8 years old pa lang si Baby Liam, I know he has... magna-9 ka na. So, he has something to say about it. And I just want to listen. That's all. Hindi ako tututor sa kung ano man yung paniniwala niya. Because as time goes by, itong mga anak natin, magbabago pa rin naman yung mga perspective nila. Depende yun sa mga challenges na maranasan nila sa buhay. Right? So, whatever you believe right now, I'm going to listen. Okay?
Cameraman, cut, please. Okay, namawis na yung kilikili ko. Basa-basa. Tissue, bilisan mo. Bakit naman basang-basa tong kilikili ko?
How are you today?
Today, it's pretty great. Because later we're going on a trip. I'm excited. Really excited.
For you, what is family, mahal ko?
They love you no matter what. Even whatever happens. If something bad happens to you, there are only a couple of people that can help you. And they are your family.
Wow! That's a beautiful answer. So, come here, baby. So, ibig sabihin for you, family is... Ano yung sagot mo?
May mga masashare ako. Yung mga ina nyo. Sila yung
Ano
best.
mga ina? Ikaw mismo bilang anak namin. So, how do you feel to be our son?
Happy, excited, always.
Always happy, always excited. Now, can you tell us, bakit ka happy?
Oh, I'm happy for being in your family with both of you. Y'all are the best.
Let's be honest, no? Kasi, nung baby pa siya, daddy niya and ako, nag-hustle talaga kami. So, meron kaming a makeup and photography business noon. So, nag-freelancing kami noon that time. Mas matagal siya nandun sa mother ko and sa stepfather ko. So, how is it? How can you share with us, no? Na dalawa yung family na inuuwian mo?
I can describe it in 2 ways. The first way is that I feel like I'm like a basketball. You just shoot in the ring and then comes back to the other family. After that, the other family gets me and then tries to shoot in the hoop again. It's like I'm like in a roller coaster circling around and around.
How do you feel about that? Do you feel mad? Do you feel like you're unloved? Because nung time na yon hindi tayo ganun nakikita masyado kasi nandun ka lagi kay mama.
I can be happy there. I can be happy here. It's basically the same feeling. Exciting, happy, waiting for something new.
So, nag-e-enjoy ka naman. Meron kasing ibang mga bata na kapag nandun sila sa ibang side or relatives ng family nila, syempre, andun pa rin yung may kulang. Kasi, gusto mo as in buo talaga. And nakikita namin kasi sa'yo ni Daddy na kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng activities or sometimes we go swimming, gusto mo talaga lagi tayong magkakasama. Sabay-sabay talaga tayo. And nakita ko yun sa'yo. That's why I'm asking na meron bang pagkakaiba sa'yo dun kina mama and dito naman sa amin?
Yeah, a little bit. Sometimes they're very nice. Sometimes they're very mad. It's like normal family there. But here, it's like a traveling family. Always happy. And only mad if I do something very wrong.
Okay. So, normal lang naman din talaga na magalit si mama sa'yo. Lalo na kung may ginawa kang hindi maganda. Or dapat ka talagang i-correct. So, ako, I'm being strict talaga to my son kasi I don't want him to be spoiled. Ayaw na ayaw ko. Lalo na kasi pagkalalaki, you have to be responsible. Pag lumaki ka, magkakaroon ka ng sariling family and you will be a man soon. That's why you have to learn many things. So, lahat ng mga alam namin ni Daddy, we'll make sure to pass it on to you. So, my next question is, anong klaseng mommy ako sa'yo? You can be honest with me. Okay? Kasi tao lang din naman ako. We are not perfect. Si mommy, dumadating sa point na nag-a-adjust din siya.
You always help me. I remember one time at the poetry, you were mad because I didn't do good, but until I finally got it perfect. It's because of you. Always help me at everything. Love you.
How about the things naman you don't like with mommy?
The things that I don't like, there is a little bit.
Mhm.
Sometimes you don't agree with both with me and with daddy. Sometimes you don't wanna come and help me sometimes. Just sometimes. Well, not all the time. It only happened like 4 times. Do you remember that one time where we were at the boat? I said to you, Mommy, let's go jump at the boat. And you said, yeah, and then you didn't jump.
Okay. So,
That's
you know naman, anak, that there are different types of people. Okay? Hindi lahat ng mga gusto mo is magiging gusto ko.
Yeah.
Hindi lahat ng gusto ko is gusto mo at kaya mong gawin. Very sporty sila, very active sila sa mga ganyang mga activities. They are happy talaga and enjoying. Kahit sabihin mo na minsan lang naman tayo umalis, mommy, sometimes you have to understand na si mommy, andun yung fear. Parang it's better to be careful at all times. Katulad niyan, nagvo-vlog si mommy, but si daddy hindi naman nagvo-vlog, right? Do you get me?
Yeah, I got it.
So, hindi natin pwedeng ipilit yung mga bagay din na, mommy, you have to be like this, daddy, you have to be like this. Because we have different skills, we have different hobbies na hindi mo po pwedeng ipilit. Kayo, mahilig kayo mag-swimming, pero ako hindi naman. Talagang for picture taking lang talaga ako the whole time. Hindi mo ko makikita na talagang jumujombag dyan as for the swimming ako how many hours. Siyempre, pinaprotect ko rin naman yung skin ko.
But,
diba? You know that we are in the beauty line. Kaya, I have to take good care of myself and I have to watch you out. Daddy's not around. He's in the gym. But now, let's talk about Daddy. What are the good memories or the things that you've thankful with?
Daddy's always sporty. That's what I like. He wants to teach me like every sport or something, like table tennis, basketball, and there are a lot more sports.
You forgot the chess.
Yeah, I forgot. Remember a good memory from Daddy. Daddy always goes swimming, and I was so scared to jump off that big boat. And I said to Daddy, no! And I almost cried. Do you remember?
Yeah. Oo. Talagang dinadala ka ni Daddy sa malalim. Pipilitin ka talaga niya. Kasi you have to face your fear.
One time, Daddy said to me, go to a deep point with him, and then I almost drowned.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I remembered. And one time, both of us pictured under the water, and it looked so funny. Do you remember? Daddy posted that, right?
So, yeah. So, yun yung mga good memories mo na share about kay Daddy. Kasi Daddy is always there for you. He has a lot of time for you. Diba? When Mommy is busy, Daddy will be there for you. So, just vice versa. When Daddy is busy, I'm here for you.
I have a
Right?
question. How's your family?
Your family is very different from my family. Tingin mo ba yung family na sinasabi mo, like happy family, traveler family, same with their family or same with my family?
Yeah, a little bit, but the traveling part na.
You want me to share a bit?
Yeah.
I grew up in a family wherein my parents aren't together. We have a broken family. When I was in your age, I know when I was 5 years old, my mom and dad already broke up. So, yeah.
I feel like I'm crying.
You're crying? It's okay. It's already written in my history, so it's okay to share. And we are so open naman with my mom. But I have in good terms naman with my mom regarding this. So, she is fully aware that I am a content creator. I can share my life. I'm very open book to all my viewers. And let's make this an inspirational time for the people who look up to us.
I feel like, Mommy, your family is like the very saddest family I've ever heard.
There are times then na I feel like really lonely. I am asking myself if this is love. My dad already passed away when I was
That's much better.
8-year-old or 9-year-old.
Eight?
I forgot. Yeah.
What year? I think it was 2009.
It's 9. They don't have time for me, to be honest. Like, yung ginagawa natin for you. That's why I made a promise to myself, anak, that when I have my son, I made a promise na lahat ng mga naranasan ko will not pass on to you. Oh my gosh. It's You know the feeling na mag-isa ka lang, si papa lang yung kasama ko and sometimes wala siya so iniiwan ako sa yaya ko. That's my life when I was a kid. I don't have something to share about my family because we are totally broke. Naging apektado na ako dumating sa point na parang I'm asking love for somebody. Na please hug me. Can you be my ate? Can you be my kuya? Pero I'm asking for love when I was a kid. And I just want to say that you, anak, sobrang blessed mo kasi you have a mother, you have a father with you. And there are times na hindi man kami actively kasama mo, pero at least ngayon, nagkakaroon tayo ng time each other. Like we go travel, we go eat outside. I mean, that's a real bond for me that never happened in my life.
Okay, what are the good memories you have when you were at my age with your mom, with your dad? Yeah.
Mommy is always right there for me kahit na hiwalay na sila. She makes time naman to meet me. Siguro magmi-meet kami once a month or once a week, like that. Kasi, syempre nagkaroon ng away sa kanila between my dad. So, hindi rin kasi siya pinapapunta sa akin. So, nahihirapan din siya. Well, I understand. There's no one perfect naman. Kahit na ganun yung sakit na naramdaman ko nung bata ko, I always look at the positive side kasi mommy ko yun mother ko yun Parang ang hirap or ang pangit na magtanim tayo ng sama ng loob. It's still my mom. So whatever she is, I have to accept. Kailangan malawak yung panguunawa ko sa kanya. So kahit na feel ko na hindi ako minahal, mas pinili nila yung path na hindi ako kasama pareho. Mas pinili nila yung buhay na hindi kami buo. There were no travels at all. Siguro maybe when I was a baby pa. Pero nung nagkaroon na ako ng isip, wala akong masyadong maalala talaga. Naalala ko yung time na lagi siyang may presence sa akin or may pasalubong siya. Pag kinikita niya ako, pinupuntahan niya ako sa Pampanga. So, ganun si mommy and maalaga talaga siya. So, pag may sakit ako, andyan din siya sa akin. Pero there are times din, syempre, nandyan na si Tito Kyle mo. Hindi na rin siya naging parang like available talaga. My dad naman is trying his best na mabigay sa akin yung happiness. But yung happiness kasi it's not material thing for me. Like pag may birthday ako, simpleng cake lang, kain lang sa labas, ganun lang. Ganun lang kasimple talaga yung buhay namin nun. Kaya if there's like occasion like Christmas or hindi mo talaga really feel yung sharing or yung bonding together with the family kasi laging kami lang talaga yung magkasama. You know that? Yung parang yung feel mo yung let's state an example, a selfish love. Ganun yung feeling, ganun yung setup ng family namin before.
What do you mean?
Magulo.
What do you mean by selfish love?
Selfish love, like, kahit napuntahan ako ni mommy, parang nagiging hindrance yung pagtutol niya. So, hindi nangyayari yun. Kahit na birthday ko, wala si mommy, and even communication. Dahil nadamay na nga ako sa pag-aaway nila. Si papa talaga, tuwing birthday ko, lagi niya ako binibigyan ng necklace, bracelet, ayan. Lahat yun nawala. So, ganun yung namin before. But I'm still happy, kasi kahit papano, meron pa rin ako naalalang good memories from my parents and for my family. And mahal ko sila. From this time that I have my own family, mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung magulang ko. Kasi magulang na rin ako. So, lahat ng sacrifices nila, even though naapektuhan ako bilang daughter nila, bilang anak nila, I still treasure the moment nung panahon na yon and until now. And I really love my family. And ayokong, ngayon wala na si Papa, si Mami na natira sa akin. I want to treasure these moments with my mom, even though na hindi naman kami laging magkasama, ganyan. I just want to be a perfect daughter for her. If there are kids who might listening to our podcast, what advice can you give to them sa mga batang hindi parehas ng family na meron ka ngayon? Like kanina sinabi mo, you have a happy family, you have a traveler family. What about them? Sa mga taong hindi nakaranas ng ganun.
This is the only advice I could say.
Ano kaya advice?
Always pray Always pray that your family will be alright, or always distract yourself so you don't think that your family doesn't love you.
Paano yung distraction na yun?
The distraction I'm talking about is like doing the things that you like. Always believe and always spend, and every single second you spend with your family, always think, always be happy because they're not there for you forever. Nothing is permanent in this world. Sooner or later, your family will be alright. It will be a happy family. Yeah.
Tama yung sinabi mo, anak. Nothing is permanent in this world. So, lahat talaga nagbabago. So, kung ngayon, galit-galitan si mother, high blood lagi si mother, darating yung time na magiging parang ano lang si mother, chill-chill na lang. So,
Chill.
nagbabago talaga lahat as we age. So, siguro, darating talaga yung time na yon. Just believe and pray. Yun ang sabi ni Leah. So, my advice naman to the young ones, most especially to the persons who have the same scenario of my life story, I just want to say that from all the pain, the cries, the loneliness, disappointments to your family, na sana ganito yung family ko. And dun talaga yung insecurity na pagka meron ka nakikita ang complete family, parang titingin ka sa kanila, sana andito rin yung mommy ko, sana andito rin yung papa ko, sana magkakasama kami. So, ganun yung feeling ko that time. You have the power to build your own, to create your own. So, it's not just because you experience the pain from your past, it doesn't define you. You are not the past. You can build something in the present for the new you. Lahat ng mga naranasan mo, huwag mo nang ulitin. You can break the cycle. That's what I want to say. You don't need to pass it to the new generation. That's why I made the promise to myself that when I have a son, when I have my daughter, lalaki sila na puno ng pagmamahal. That they would not even think na hindi ako minahal ng mommy, hindi ako minahal ng daddy, they don't have time for me, iniwan nila ako. Nag-uusap kami ni daddy mo nun before and sinabi niya, at least you already broke the cycle. So it will end on me na. Sa kasabihan na history repeats. Pero hindi mo kailangan i-repeat yun kung kaya mong baguhin at simulan yun sa sarili mo or sa'yo, sa buhay mo.
Like the saying, the past is the past.
Yeah, and past is already on the past. So what you do in the present is what matters. If you are happy today, if you feel loved today, then be it. If we think that we are not loved, then make yourself think that you are loved. You can still find ways to be happy. I hope you guys learned something about our topic for today.
Bye! I'm Klein Liam M. Lusaya.
And I'm Mrs. Kim Lusaya. You are watching
Madison Talk!
Madison Talks.
So, Mommy, Madison Talk.
Madison Talks again.
You
are watching
Madison Talks.
See you on our part 2.
Bye!
You can suggest a topic on the comment sections and make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Kim Madison, and follow me on my social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Bye, guys! Thank you so much for watching! Kiss, Mommy! Bye!